Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 73 Honda Civic Custom with Aero lift. So and this is a team transport which came during 2025. So I know we are unboxing this in 2026. So I don't know how many people actually bought this, but this was available a lot when I actually bought it. And I was actually looking for this one. I was not able to find that. So this one I saw, but I really didn't like the detailing on this. I mean, it just looked like a metal block, when I saw this. So I lost interest at that point, so I didn't buy it. But this one, it looked really good. But my luck ran out, it seems. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, I bought it for the MRP, which is, I don't know if they're going to increase anything here, but I'm hoping they won't. So, so 1399, that was the MRP when I bought it. I don't need a knife for this, so let me. So even the previous team transport which I unboxed, I just kept it back in this packaging because it is the easiest way for me to store it without any issue. Okay, let me show you the card at once. Here it is. It looks good. Let me put this aside. Okay, so let's first talk about this Aero lift. So the bed here is, the lift here is, this is plastic, this is not metal at all, and it is movable. You can, okay, you can put it like this, and so it has acrylic headlights. Wow, that is really nice. I mean, they honestly go all the way for this fantasy castings, but they don't do that for the actual cars. Okay, there's metal. That is metal, right? But it feels, that feels hollow. It is metal, but it feels hollow, honestly. I'm not sure if it is just a single layer of metal instead of a block. Maybe once, if you open it, we will know, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so this part is also metal, and the head is also, the cockpit is also metal. This part here, this does feel like plastic to me. Wait, yeah, that is a separate piece. You can see the turn indicators and everything, but I think that is a plastic piece. So that's the only thing I can't able to figure out in this particular casting. So the wheels are actually, the tires are rubber, the rims are plastic. So this one I'm seriously not able to figure it out, guys, whether it's a plastic piece or a metal piece. It does feel like both when I'm trying to knock it like this. Okay, I think it is metal. Okay, so I really don't want to waste too much time on this. Okay, it has rear view mirrors here. You can see the door handle detailing here. That looks good. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, let me just put this aside and let's go to the car now. Okay, so it looks good. See, as usual, mine actually has a lot of paint bubbling, paint rashes here on the roof. So, so the headlight details are fully painted. Everything is painted here, the fog lamps and everything, and it is not even painted properly. It is already offset. Okay, so the rear you can see the tail light details, and this is a full metal casting, metal body, metal chassis, since it's a premium. And you can see the spoiler here, that is acrylic, and it has wiper detailing here, and there is some interior detailing to it, but it's not really that visible. But let's see on this side, but it is there. Solid block of steering wheel. It has a rear view mirror on one side. Okay, so okay, the tires are rubber and the rims are plastic. if you guys are wondering. So the logo, I mean the livery on this looks really good. Okay, so let's weigh this individually and see how much both of this thing weighs, and after that in total. Okay, this weighs 73 grams and this one weighs 45 grams. So let's see how much it is together. Okay, 119 in total. Okay, not bad. So usually, when it comes to premium, we usually won't check on this uh, rolling ability. Let's, it has rolls, let's test. Sorry, it has wheels, let's test. And I'm feeling sleepy. I'm exhausted at this point now. Okay, it does roll good. Since it's a premium, we are going to let that part go. So let's rate this casting now, its entirety. Okay, see, my only nitpick here is, see, they are not going to give you acrylic headlight or tail light or anything like that. They are going to paint everything. At least they need to do that properly for the price we are paying. So, and see, if you guys remember when I'm doing this majority videos, I did take 0.5 just for the painting it offset, because that's what they do really good, but they messed that up. So I'm taking 0.5 here also because they did mess this up a little bit. And here, since it's a fantasy casting, I really don't know how to rate this one, so let's leave that one out. So this one is 9.5 out of 10. Everything looks good. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.